the way, Andrew, do you know this animal called Pumba?
Yeah, Kasongo.
Kasongo, exactly. Mr. Warthog. Do you know where the name Pumba comes from?
No, tell me.
Do you know in Swahili, there's a word called Pumbavu?
Pumbavu.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Yeah,
Idiot.
it means stupid. Yeah, stupid. So the name Pumba in the movie from Lion King comes from the name Pumbavu. Pumbavu is a Swahili word that means stupid. So warthogs are known for being stupid animals. Do you know why?
Why?
It's because they take advantage of them having a short memory. Warthogs often have a short memory, and people, they take this as an advantage to call them Pumbavu. So let me tell you a story. Most of the times when lions are hunting warthogs, Pumbavus, the Pumbas, 60% to 70% of the times lions or leopards are hunting them, they are successful. You know why?
Why?
Warthogs are very fast. They are very fast, but they have a problem, a weakness, that they have a short memory. It's like owning a Range Rover. It will go fast, but they have a problem of always breaking down.
Breaking down.
So warthogs, they can go very fast. A lion can try to chase them for a few meters and it's very fast. So you know what lions do? So what they do, they just have to sit and wait. So most of the times when the warthog runs, in about 16 seconds has already forgot why it was running. And it stops, oh, I'm running. Why was I running? Why was I running?
Yeah.
And it turns back again. Let me go and see why I was running. So most of the times as it comes back, the lion is just patiently there seated on the leopard, and it just catches it and eats it. So that's where the name Pumbavu comes from, Pumba.
Pumba.
Yeah, now you know.